Okay, welcome back to the YouTube channel and podcast of We Love Data. Uh, Tonight I'd like to share with you a thought that I have, a point of view, an observation of a fact. If you go to Google Scholar and you search for data science, you get no articles apart this one, data science, predictive analytics and big data, a revolution that will transform supply chain design and management. That is an article of 2013 written by M.A. Waller and S.E. Fawcett. Published on the Journal of Business Logics. Apart from this, that is a paper that is not easy to access because you have to ask for a full text. And the link that you have on the right, the direct link to the PDF is a fake link. If you try to browse it, you don't go anywhere actually. Apart from this, you don't get any result that attempts to draw a map of the discipline, to make a state of the art, to reconstruct a history. You see, the first result that you have is the quantified self. Fundamental disruption in big data science and biological discovery. If you look at the abstract of this article, you see a thing like a key contemporary trend emerging in big data science is the quantified self. Individuals engaged in the self-tracking of any kind of biological, physical, behavioral or environmental information as n equal to 1 individuals or in groups and so on. That is surely an interesting article, but it sounds very specific. But the others also, social science and public policy. Social science, public policy. And the field is already very strict with respect to my query that was data science or algorithms for clustering data. So how do you perform one very specific task among all tasks that you could be interested in performing and all tools that you could be interested in using when you think of data science or color science is not related at all with data science. It's just that science and data are in the text, but it's but going down the fourth paradigm, data intensive scientific discovery or functional data analysis or mastering data mining, the art and science of customer relationship management. So customer relationship management. I find all this very interesting because for almost every other field of research, almost every other well-known research topic, if you query for the topic itself, you get state of the arts, you get histories, you get attempts of putting the pieces of the puzzle at their right place, that is identifying where the different pieces of the puzzle locate and going down, and the results that you get something that is specific to a single piece of the puzzle. This is not true for data science now. It's also true that I'm limiting to Google Scholar. That is not the only resource that you could access for making a research, but it's surely one of the most relevant and most commonly used places where you go and search for scientific literature. Uh, I have not found an answer for this motivation. The only thing that one could think is that the field is really so recent that nobody has even attempted to draw a map or to make a history of what happened, because the history is now. But I don't know if this can really be considered a motivation for that. And I think it's an interesting thing about which to think. So it could be interesting if you that is listening, you that are listening, uh, could provide your opinion about this. Okay, this is all for today. Just a reminder that I always make at the end of my podcasts. If you wish to get involved in the Wheel of Data initiative and community, if you wish to publish your own podcast, videos, articles, you are welcome. We love data is for that. We love data is thought so that people of different extractions, so academic people, but also business guys, but also students, could have their space and share their thoughts, their findings, and so on. So I invite you to visit the website of the initiative, so www.wheelofdata.today, where you will get all the needed information about the mission of the initiative and of the community, and how you can get involved, and much more. Okay, it's all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you today. See you tomorrow.